Hey guys, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and I'm going to show you how to knit the Fisherman Rib in the round. So you're going to want to cast on an even number of stitches, and then join your work in the round and place a marker. And then we're going to work a setup row that is a knit 1, purl 1 repeat. So you just knit 1, purl 1, and repeat that across your row. So once you've finished your setup row, you're ready to work your first repeat row. And you're going to repeat a knit 1 below followed by a purl stitch all the way to the end of your row. So a knit 1 below is exactly how it sounds. So your stitch is right here. You would typically go into the loop that's on your needle, but instead you're going to go into the stitch below it, and there's a hole below your stitch, and you're going to go into the hole below it. So you take your needle and you go into the hole below your stitch and you just knit it. So yarn over and pull it through, and then you purl 1 normally, and then you repeat that. So you just go into the hole below your stitch, yarn over and pull through, purl 1, and then you just repeat that. So you go into the hole below it, yarn over and pull through, purl 1, and repeat that to the end of your row. So once you finish that row, you're ready to work your second repeat row, which is a knit 1, purl 1 below repeat. So you knit the first stitch normally, and then you're going to purl 1 below. So it's the same concept as the knitting 1 below. So you have a hole below your purl stitch, which is the stitch from the previous row. So you're going to go into the hole below it. I'll try and point that out to you. So you can see that there's a hole here below your purl stitch. So you bring your yarn to the front like you normally would for purling, and then you go into the stitch below. This is the actual stitch. You're going to go into the hole that is the stitch below it, and then you're going to yarn over like you normally would to purl and pull it through, and then you can slide it off. And then you're just going to repeat those 2 stitches. So knit 1, bring your yarn to the front, and then purl 1 below. So instead of going into this stitch, you go into the hole below it, yarn over and pull through, and repeat that all the way to the end of your row. When you finished your second row, you're just going to work those 2 repeat rows until you have your desired length. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.